Hey homie! Today I get a chance to take picture with Leng Lui, Leng Zai, and most importantly, Leng Door, because this is the grand opening of NES Door new factory. This celebration not just bring us to visit their factory in Klang and also to see their new product launch, a full skin rock door from top to bottom, and also to get a chance to talk to Olga Sadakova, the artist behind Stone Flower. She is collaborating with NES to create the next masterpiece that you can install right in front of your house. Would you buy this door for your house? Comment below and I shall see you next time.